Hi, I'm Adam Asmus with Rotochopper Customer Support Team. In this support video, we will show you how to inspect and adjust a scraper plate on a Rotochopper B-66. When properly adjusted, the scraper plate keeps feedstock flowing towards the rotor as it leaves the infeed belt. The scraper plate should be seated tightly and evenly across the belt, parallel to the infeed head pulley. With engine running, but discharge and under rotor conveyors, rotor and feed system disengaged and completely stopped, lift power feed and set power feed arm stop. To adjust the scraper plate, we will need to remove the head pulley covers to access the adjuster bolts. Loosen head pulley mounting bolts on both sides of the machine. Then you will use the adjuster bolt to move the head pulley forward or back to the correct height for your scraper plate. After achieving desired scraper plate height and angle, retighten the head pulley mounting bolts on both sides of the machine. A well-maintained machine is safer and more profitable. Thank you for choosing Rotochopper for your grinding solutions. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Rotochopper University videos like this one.